Bali, the island of gods. Besides its beautiful nature and culture, it has many temples and sacred places that require you to put on the Balinese traditional clothes or kaman. Now, we would like to invite you to put on kaman properly. Let's take a look at the following video. This is how to wear kaman for men. First, wrap the clothes around the waist from the back. Pull the fabric until the left side is half as long as the right. Fold the fabric as shown on the video. Fold the upper part of the kaman to make it look neat. Next, put on the next layer or saput, as the same as how to put on kaman. Gather the longer rope around your waist and tie it to the shorter rope. Tighten the rope like shoelaces. Finally, cover the waist with your costume. Next, we're gonna wear udang. Place the udang in the center of your forehead. On the back, make a cross loop by bringing the right part down to the left and the left part up to the right. Fold the left side of the udang. Make sure the tip is parallel to the bridge of your nose and covering any hair tips. Bring the rope to your forehead and tie it in a cross shape. Make sure it looks neat and elegant. This is how to wear kaman for women. First, wrap the cloth around the waist from the back. Pull the fabric until it's longer on the left side than the right. Wrap the kaman around the waist. Tie it and place it inside. Cover the waist with your costume. Use a shawl to dress up and tighten the kaman. To perfecting the look, wrap the scarf above the waist and tie two ribbons. That's the proper way to put on the common for man and woman. Bali is waiting for you.